Online taxi business like Uber is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Do you also want to start your online taxi booking business? Then watch this video till the end. In this video, we are going to show you the latest feature in our ready-to-launch taxi app, and you can start your online taxi application like that. So this is a user app and a driver app. We are telling you why you should purchase a taxi application only from Ronix. So this is a ready to launch taxi application like Uber. There is a customer app, there is a driver app. So here you can see in the customer app map, here you can see in the driver app map. And now if I make a taxi booking, the driver will be able to see the notification of the taxi booking even when the app is not open in background. So I will remove the app from background. I will remove everything from background. In a low-cost application available in the market, whenever there is a user and there is a driver, whenever the driver remove the app from background, the driver don't receive loud alarm notification for new booking. But this is our latest advanced taxi application, and whenever there is a new booking, the driver application will automatically open and show the booking to accept or reject. So this is a very good feature comparing to Uber, so that you can have the best feature for your taxi business. This is a ready to launch taxi app with user app, driver app, admin website and 6-month free technical support. For more, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on your screen, or you can visit ronix.com so our team can help you. We will give you complete application live on Play Store, and also if you buy Apple app, then we will give you Apple app also. In this application, you can have bike booking, taxi booking, auto booking, all the features available in one app with live tracking, online payment gateway and much more. And that is how a booking gets completed in the taxi application. If you want to make your own taxi application like Ola, Uber, Rapido, contact us. Number is showing on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.